Namaskar friends, welcome to Spirit World channel. Spirituality is a broad concept that encompasses a range of beliefs and practices aimed at connecting with our true self and a higher power. It's a way of finding meaning and purpose in life beyond the physical realm. Spiritual awakening, on the other hand, is the process of realizing that we are more than just our physical body and that our existence extends beyond the limitations of our senses. A spiritual awakening can be triggered by a major life change, such as the death of a loved one, a near-death experience, a traumatic event, or simply a feeling of emptiness and disconnection from the world around us. When we experience these situations, it's natural to question the purpose and meaning of life, which can lead us on a journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to how to start your spiritual awakening. It's a personal journey, and the process varies from person to person. But some tips that would assist include finding a spiritual teacher or mentor, beginning a regular meditation practice, reading spiritual books, or attending spiritual retreats. What are the 7 stages of spiritual awakening? There is no concrete roadmap for the stages of spiritual awakening, yet experts have categorized these stages into 7 stages. The 7 stages of spiritual awakening are as follows: realization, awakening, disorientation, introspection, integration, transcendence, enlightenment. What happens during each stage of spiritual awakening? During realization, we begin to question our existence and life's purpose. The awakening stage occurs when we receive a glimpse of our true nature or higher consciousness. In the disorientation stage, we begin to question everything we've ever believed. In the introspection stage, we start to seek answers, digging deep within ourselves to find the truth. In the integration stage, we begin to process and integrate the newfound awareness into our daily life, leading us towards transcendence. In the enlightenment stage, we experience a shift in our consciousness and reach a state of complete awareness and unity with the universe. How long does a spiritual awakening last? The duration of a spiritual awakening varies from person to person. Some people may experience a rapid shift in consciousness, while others may take years or decades to reach enlightenment. It's important to note that there is no fixed timeline for spiritual growth and that the journey is ongoing. The symptoms of spiritual awakening can vary from person to person, but some common signs include a feeling of disorientation, heightened sensitivity, a sense of detachment, experiencing synchronicity, and spiritual experiences like lucid dreams, out-of-body experiences, or even vision quests. How to deal with the emotional and physical changes during spiritual awakening? Dealing with emotional and physical changes during spiritual awakening can be challenging. It's essential to practice self-care, engage in physical exercise, yoga, meditation, or engage in any activity that makes you feel grounded and centered. It's also crucial to seek support from a spiritual teacher, mentor, or support group, as spiritual growth is best experienced in community. Is it normal to feel lost during spiritual awakening? Yes, feeling lost during spiritual awakening is normal. The process is often accompanied by a sense of confusion and detachment, which can make you feel lost. It's important to keep in mind that you're not alone, and everyone who goes through a spiritual awakening experiences this sense of loss. What is the dark night of the soul? The dark night of the soul is a term used to describe an intense period of spiritual growth. During this period, we may experience profound sadness, anxiety, and an intense sense of loss or loneliness. It's a time of uncertainty where we question everything we know, and it often feels like we are in a state of darkness. How to deal with the challenges during the dark night of the soul? The dark night of the soul can be an emotionally charged and challenging time. However, it's an opportunity for deep healing and spiritual growth. It's crucial to seek support from a spiritual teacher, mentor, or a community of like-minded individuals. Engaging in meditation or heart-opening practices like gratitude or journaling can also offer some relief during this time. What comes after the dark night of the soul? After the dark night of the soul, we emerge with a deeper understanding of ourselves, our purpose, and our connection to a higher power. The experience facilitates a spiritual transformation, allowing us to strip down and rebuild, gaining clarity and insight into our spiritual journey. What are some practices that can help with spiritual growth? There are numerous practices that can facilitate spiritual growth. Some of these practices include meditation, prayer, yoga, journaling, dance, spending time in nature, and practicing gratitude. It's essential to find a practice that resonates with you and commit to it regularly. Consistency is key in spiritual growth. How to find a spiritual practice that works for you? When seeking a spiritual practice, experiment with different forms and find what feels most natural and enjoyable for you. Meditation, yoga, and prayer are popular options for spiritual growth, but there are many other practices available. You could also look for a spiritual teacher or mentor who can guide you towards a practice that aligns with your unique needs. Why is spiritual practice important for enlightenment? Spiritual practice is a cornerstone of enlightenment as it helps us develop a deep sense of self-awareness and gain insight into our true nature. It's a way of connecting with a higher power and accessing the wisdom needed to live a fulfilling life. Through regular practice, we can deepen our connection to the universe and experience greater states of consciousness. A spiritual awakening journey is a life-changing experience that varies from person to person. However, understanding the stages of spiritual awakening, symptoms, and practices that facilitate growth and transformation can alleviate some of the confusion and challenges that one may experience along the way. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and with time and commitment, enlightenment is possible. So friends, hope you liked this information. Write in the comment box and do not forget to share. Then we'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you and goodbye.